Hello students, today we learn command line argument in C language. So let me start what is command line argument and why we should learn it. Why command line argument in C language? Main objective is to execute the program from DOS shell, not as control F9. As we know, when we prepare any program of Turbo C, we use F9 and then after control F9 to execute, but here command line argument program will run from DOS shell. And the second objective is to explain object oriented execution environment in Turbo C. It means when we execute the Turbo C program, it will use as an object orientation, so it will understand by all of us when we see the example. The next point is the such type of program we need not to take any input statement like scanf in program structure. Means that we know that when we use Turbo C as a traditional programming language, printf is output statement and scanf is input statement, but here we do not need to use scanf, because when we provide our input from command line, means DOS shell, so it is known as command line argument. So if we want to understand how we can go for command line program, because it is something different than traditional program of Turbo C, because it is compiling and execution environments are different. So here is a steps is given. You can see that one. Write a command line argument program. First write the program, then after save the program with .c extension, then compile the program by press F9. When .exe file prepare, move to DOS shell from file menu, and then DOS shell will provide the file name and then pass the argument value within file name only and see the output. It means when we start command line program in Turbo C, we need to write down that program, then after we can save that program within a .c extension, then we need to just making exe file by pressing F9, and then after we will move to DOS shell by file menu, and then we run the program by file name and provide the proper argument whatever it is. In the last point that is mentioned, let's take one C program to understand this topic. Yes friend, this is the C language screen where you can understand has included stdio.h, then after it is integer main, so structure integer n is there, character star x as a argument and number of argument is given, and special thing x is using as a pointer that we know very well, so we take care about the pointer argument value when you use command line argument. Then after it is a simple program that integer I is there, then after printf command line argument r \n is given. It's a just simple instruction. Then for I equal to 0, I less than n and I plus plus. Then after printf is there, you can see that there is no scanf as we earlier discussed. Then after printf %s means whole string will be there, then after \n and x of I is given. So when we run this program, this loop will be continue for I to n, means how many words you will provide as a command line argument. Then after return 0 is there. So it's a very simple program my friends. It is integer n, means how many number of words that we are giving in an argument. Then after character is a data type to make a string value, it's a pointer of x, and that argument is not fixed, so we are providing it by definitely blank array. Then I is a just a local variable, it's an instruction. This loop will be continue and it will checked. Each word will carried out within a new line by \n. This is a simple program. This program is not still saved, my friend. Okay, the second screen showing us that we are saving this program into C, Turbo C3 bin. The program name is demo.c. It is easy to understand because this program is not saved and the name is .cpp. Here this program is saved with the .c. The name of file is demo.c. The next screen is this program is saved, and as we earlier that we are preparing executable file by press F9, my friends. The program is as it is when we press F9. This is a micro level observation that you all must take care of. This exe file is available into source. The file name is demo.c, but you can see that executable file is prepared by demo.exe. The linking file is available in Turbo C3 into library cs.library file. This is just 5 lines program, very small and sweet program is there. So there is no wrong, no errors, available memory, and this program is executed successfully, but it just compile an exe file prepared. Now we want to run this program. The next screen, yes, in a file menu we will move to DOS shell, as we already mentioned in our first page that we need a DOS shell, and this DOS shell will be available in file menu. Go to DOS shell. Last and very important, my friends, when you go to DOS shell, C, Turbo C3 and bin file is there. You should go to cd dot. Then after the directory is changed, then you go cd.source, because your source file is having exe file. Let's go to back. Yes, my friends, exe file is available into source demo.exe. Due to that reason, cd dot we will come out from bin, then Turbo C3 is there, then cd source file is there. By this changing directory source folder where executable file is exist. When we move to the source file, then it's a very simple program, and this is a last instruction for all of you is that demo is a file name. Then after I am providing argument live one day at a time, and this is command line argument where I provide demo is a file name, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 words I am giving. So as a command line argument, live space 1 space day space at space a space time space. When this program is execute, you can see that one demo.exe, and when we use demo.exe, live one day at a time, this is the output of the program, because when we see the program, when we type, it is mentioned each string or each word, after that word \n is affected. So when in a command line argument I provide live space 1 space day space at space a space time, every word is in new line within \n, and output program is given. So it's a very simple thing to understand command line argument. I hope you people all understand what is command line argument and how we can run this program. You should take care for this particular bin directory. You come out from change directory command, then you must need to go to cd source file, because your executable file is available into the source directory. So cd source, once you will be reached into the source, then after you can run the program, and by that one you can easily carry out your output within a demo.exe file that is already prepared by F9. Thank you so much to understand the command line argument program into Turbo C. if you have any doubt and any queries, you can mention into the comment box. You can ask me any type of question about this command line argument. It is a fundamental concept of Java program that you will learn in your higher classes when you will be in TY or in your further semester, in future semester is there. But yes, here by executing this program we are providing our input live one day at a time, not by scanf but by command line. Thank you so much. If you have any queries and any doubts, you can put queries and questions into the comment box of this YouTube video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day all.